Welcome to our channel.
If you're after a hotter version of Mini's longest car yet, this is it. The new Mini Clubman John Cooper Works, or JCW, is here. Mini has applied its sportiest treatment to the twin-door hatch, adding four-wheel drive and a beefier body kit. It has revved its way into the 2016 Paris Motor Show after being revealed earlier in September. Under the bonnet of the John Cooper Works Clubman is the same 2.0-liter twin-scroll petrol turbo as in the JCW hatch, producing 228 bhp but 20 Nm extra torque, at 350 Nm. That means a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 6.3 seconds, the same as the hatch, and a top speed of 148 miles per hour. The figures are identical whether the car is fitted with the 6-speed manual or 8-speed auto box, even though the Clubman is around 300 kilograms heavier than the hatch thanks to its larger body and all-wheel drive system. Stronger 4-piston Brembo brakes rein in the Clubman's additional weight, while the manual claims 38.2 mpg fuel economy and 168 g/km CO2 emissions, and the auto 42.5 mpg and 154 g/km.